Our next step is to change the type of data that we have selected and represented in our chart. So the way we're going to do that is click into the chart, hit the Select Data button under the Data tab menu, and we're going to delete the current data that's selected. We can click on this arrow and select the data we want. So we're going to select the existing data that we have, but we're also going to go into Q2 and add that data. If you click the arrow again, hit OK, and as you can see, it's added here. We have all of the product lines represented and every month for the first 2 quarters. We also might want to go in and remove the data labels because they were looking a little crowded. Next, we can add some chart elements like the title. So we can click on the chart title on the top and type in segment sales report, quarter 1 and 2. And now we have a table for our chart. Next, we can have a vertical axis title, and same thing, you can go here, double click. And we're going to do that. We're going to name that sales. Click out of that when you're done. And this is our new chart for segment sales report for quarter 1 and quarter 2.